At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? PhilsGang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the PhilsGang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
We are still counting ballots in Broward County.
5 pages or 6 pages for each of the people who voted.
But other counties have been able to do it.
But other counties didn't have 600,000 votes out there.
Well, Miami-Dade did.
We had a big vote by mail. So don't try to turn it around to make it seem like I'm making comedy out of this.
Comedy? I don't think there's anything funny about this at all. Do you? Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Now. I think it's pretty bad. Comedy? But here's where the comedy is. Now think about this. Now, she is, this woman Snipes, she's the Broward County election supervisor, who is more crooked than a corkscrew. She's been getting away with this. She's been found guilty by the court of being involved with felonies, yet she's never gotten arrested. No arrest, no convictions, nothing. She's gotten involved with many felonies involving fixing elections. Never prosecuted. Now, the most recent felony, but she was never arrested or convicted, was in 2016, when her favorite candidate, Debbie Wasserman Schultz, another crook, was being challenged by Tim Canova. When Canova was winning and pulling ahead, all of a sudden Snipes destroys the ballots that voted for Canova. She didn't want him to win, so she destroyed the ballots. In the back room, she had a trusted group of people who were changing the names, the votes, to Wasserman. Changing them. The judge ruled, and that Canova favored giving, to Debbie Wasserman Schultz. She was not charged. Snipes was still not charged, even though they caught her red-handed directing a group of her trusted employees to change the ballots, change the names, destroy, I forgot how many thousands of them, to destroy them and then put in the vote for Wasserman. Went to court, summary judgment, which was a felony, what she did. showed that she was changing the votes, no question about it. Nothing. Now, here's what's really, and this is what's really funny and humorous. So, Tim Canova meets with the governor, Governor Scott, in 2016, and the Florida Attorney General, and asks them to prosecute Snipes based on the countless rulings he has gotten through summary judgments that she committed a felony, rigging the vote count. And even after the judge found she rigged the vote count, those ballots still remained in place, and he lost the race. So he asked Scott and the attorney general, fire her, but arrest her. She destroyed 6,000 ballots and changed the names. So yesterday, on one of the talk shows, he was asked that question. And listen to his answer.
The election supervisor in Broward County, a woman named Brenda Snipes, has a history of irregularities. And in fact, 2 years ago, a judge ruled that she illegally destroyed ballots from a Democratic primary. The question I have for you is, as governor, you could have suspended her at some point and named a replacement. Why didn't you?
Well, what I'm focused on now is we've gone through an election. Let's get this election finished. That's what I'm focused on now. Let's get this election finished. Wait
a minute. He avoided the question. Totally avoided it. He wouldn't answer it. He would not answer the question. It was simple. You're the governor. Why in the hell didn't you get rid of her? And prosecute her. Have your attorney general. He wouldn't answer the question. So what is it that Snipes has on him? He avoided that question all day. Like 3 other talk show hosts asked the same question, which is a common sense question. Why didn't you fire her? You knew you were going to be running for the Senate down the road. Why would you want to put yourself in peril? Why would you want her overseeing your vote count? When she hated you, she made it known she hates you. Isn't that amazing? Is he that stupid? I don't think so. Guy who made $222 million last year and doing deals. No, I don't think he's stupid. She has something on him. Has something on him. So it'll be interesting. Be interesting. So anyways, worse than that, or as bad as that, what's going to affect the stock market? That's what you need to know. We're down 500 points today. No surprise here. I told everybody, if you recall, I said, look, the day after the election, we'll have a movement in the market. And I've been in this market over 40 years. On this planet for 72, I've seen a lot of these rallies after the market, or after the election, and they always go the wrong way at first. There's always a knee-jerk reaction to the upside, and that's what happened. But I said, you got to wait, because the problem is the institutions that make stocks go up or down, they're not in play. They're sitting on the sidelines, because it takes them a couple of weeks, or at least a week, to sit down with the new chairs of the committees to find out what is going to happen before they invest their money. For example, Nancy Pelosi, she's now going to be the Speaker of the House at 78 years old. Maxine Waters, that nutcase, she's 80 years old. She's going to be the House Financial Service Committee. She's crazy. I mean, she is absolutely nuts and crazy, this woman. Cummings, oh my God, he's going to be in charge of the Oversight Committee. And then the biggest dope of all, who will be the head of the chairman of the House Intelligence Committee, who will be giving out subpoena after subpoena after subpoena, is Adam Schiff. What a dope he is. So they want to sit with these people and find out whether they're a bank or whether they're an insurance company. They want big investors. They're the ones that make the market go up and down. They want to find out what's going on. Are you going to change everything that Donald Trump has done? Are you going to destroy everything before they invest? The biggest fear is that nutcase, Maxine Waters. Today, what you see with the market down 500 points, they're now getting their feedback after a week. And I told everybody to take to this Wednesday to really get the feedback, see which way this market was going. But my indication on my charts, my MV2 color-coded chart, was that we were going to have a sell-off in this market. I told everybody, if you go back and take a look at my chart, my color-coded chart, there was a big indication that this market was going to have a sell-off that it couldn't. This is now the second time. First we had the 11% February correction. Now we had the October correction, about 12%. In both times, they couldn't run back up past 2,800 on the S&P. They're both stuck there, and now they're falling again. They can't get up there. There's tough resistance. That there's too many sellers. There's not enough buyers. So I've got my gang short. They're making money now as the market's going down. Are you still long with your 401k? I bet you are.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang Max Vest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang Max Vest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang Max Vest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had. about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxFest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Join my gang. Now, how many times have I told you? I come on the air and I tell you, would you buy a car that has no reverse, just forward? Of course not. How many times have I told you, you're not going to make enough money to retire unless you can make money when the market goes down? And I'm not talking about these stupid annuities that are so bad, where you hear on the radio every Saturday, I hear when I'm driving around, how they're going to guarantee you'll never lose money in the market. You only make money. That is such a bold-faced lie. It's incredible. If that was the case, I would not be on this radio show. I'd be on my yacht somewhere. If that was the case, that someone could guarantee you would never lose money in the market, only make money. But why do people believe it? Why do they believe it? Just like they believe Kudlow, and Larry Kudlow keeps saying the economy is fantastic. The economy is going to grow 4 to 5%. People want to hear it because they want to believe it. They want to believe it. They want to believe it themselves, so they hold on to this hope instead of looking at the facts. The facts are that now we have one of the worst situations possible. Yes, sometimes when you have a government that's split, big things can get done. But not this kind of a split. When you have Adam Schiff, House Intelligence Committee chairman, one of the most dangerous men on this planet, along with Maxine Waters, who is an idiot, so dumb you couldn't take her brains and fill them with a thimble. You couldn't fill up a thimble with those brains. You can't even find them. Then you have Eli Cummings, a hateful man. He's the one that was involved with the IRS, going after anybody who was involved with donating money to the conservatives. They go after them. You got the most dangerous people. You got Adam Schiff, Cummings, Maxine Waters, Nancy Pelosi, Richard Neal, chairman of the Means Committee. Are you kidding? Are you nuts? So, instead of spending their time working on the biggest problems we have, wages, jobs, our wages aren't keeping up. We don't have good jobs. We don't. We don't have good earnings of companies. We're being lied to every day. This market's not down 500 points today on the excuse, things aren't going to be good because the Democrats are in office now and they're going to be picking on Trump. That was one of the reasons why they said the market was down 500 points, because of the hostility that the Democrats are going to show towards our president. Maybe a little bit of it. But the majority is that we're coming to the end. We're coming to the truth that this market has never had a recovery. Never had a recovery. Not since 2008. We never had a recovery. This market has been propped up with printing and printing and printing of money and injecting this liquidity into the market, into stocks, so the 1 percentile could get even more rich and more wealthy than they already were, while the working folks got screwed. Wages are not keeping up with inflation. If they want to investigate something, let's investigate that. Instead, Adam Schiff, one of the most dangerous men in this country, committee chairman of the House Intelligence Committee, said his first order of business is not to get you better wages, not to get you from your part-time job, which really sucks, to a full-time job, not to work on why are we outsourcing so many people. Let's stop the outsourcing. Let's stop the stock buybacks. That's what he should be working on. Instead of that, he's going to devote all his time to investigating Trump, to investigate this blood feud between Trump and Costa. He's going to spend most of his time going on and to impeach him. So he's going to impeach Trump all the time on impeachment. But he also says he's going to go and investigate the blood feud with the U.S. media that Trump has with the U.S. media that drove to he thinks is an illegal act by the president and the way he talked to Costa. Can you believe this? He also said, not only is he going to crack down on the president for how he treats the press and what he did in the briefing room when he battled with Jim Costa, he's going to see if he's going to try to find some crime. He's also going to restart a new investigation. Collusion, Russia. Again, he's going to start a whole new investigation. This is unbelievable. Instead, he should be investigating why 72% of U.S. workers are working from paycheck to paycheck. Now, that's what he should be working on. That's what Pelosi should be working on. That's what Cummings should be working on. That's what these people should be working on. That's what the chair of the Ways and Means Committee should be working on. Why are 72% of the people who are working paycheck to paycheck? I'm not saying 27%, 72%. Let's investigate that. Oh no, he wants to spend, all the committees want together and investigate Trump, impeach him, but besides impeach him, they want to investigate the battle that was held in the conference, in the press room. Why not investigating this phony economic boom? That's what they got to investigate. This is a phony economic boom that they keep telling us is durable and it's lasting. Investigate this durable and lasting boom that's not durable and not lasting, because it's all done with smoke and mirrors and stock buybacks. Let's just look at the living standards of most Americans. If you look at the living standards of most Americans, which suck, it'll tell you that there's no economic boom that's durable. The economic boom has been for the 1 percentile to let's say even 10 percentile. 90% of the people aren't feeling a boom. So let's make some money with stocks when we get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, people make it too complicated. Wall Street tells you the market cap and the trailing PE and the forward PE and price to sales to confuse you. All you need to know is, does the stock have volume? What's that mean? Energy. What does that mean? If you have people buying a stock, enough of the stock's being bought, it influences the prices to go up. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We're using charting, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? You know, reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the PhilsGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, so These new committees are going to spend all their time investigating the president. That's right, investigating the president. Instead of investigating the trade deficits. Why aren't we investigating the trade deficits? The trade deficits are a killer of jobs. But see, they never talk about trade deficits. They always mask over the trade deficits. Baby Bush masked over the trade deficits. Obama, who lost 6 million jobs because of the trade deficit, 6 million jobs, made sure he masked over. They never talk about the trade deficits. They don't want to talk about the trade deficits. Because the reason why they don't want to talk about the trade deficits, they can't fix them until we have an energy policy where we don't have to import 10 million barrels a day anymore. It's the only way you can fix it. Big deal. You cut the trade deficit. Whatever you gain on the trade deficit in cash, you lose the same day because you got to write a check for $10 billion out for oil. But see, they don't want to have an energy plan. So let's talk about trade deficits. It eliminates millions and millions of high-wage U.S. manufacturing jobs, and that puts a terrible pressure on wages because when you lose your manufacturing job, where do you go? If you're losing a $25, $30 an hour job, you're going to go to a $12, $15 an hour job, which is a bartender, waitress, some sort of service job. That's why Obama created more bartenders and waitresses and waiters than in the history of the United States because there was so much outsourcing of jobs. So why don't they investigate that? Why are we outsourcing jobs? Why are we allowing that? Why? Investigate the trade deficits is responsible for 45% increase in income inequality. Nobody talks about it. Nobody wants to talk about it. They mask over it. When you have a trade deficit, when we're importing so much more than we're exporting, and that is the cause for 45% increase in income inequality, what are we doing, the new chairs of these committees sitting there and investigating the feud between the president and Costa? What, are you nuts? Trade deficits always shift these high-paying manufacturing jobs to low-paying service jobs. And that's why 72% of Americans are working from paycheck to paycheck. You need to retire. You're facing retirement down the road someplace. And then NAFTA. Look what they did. The brainstorm of NAFTA. That was the brainstorm of Bush Sr. And then Trump. Clinton came in and finished it off to help all their buddies, their pals, all the big boys on Wall Street. They made a fortune, the Clintons and the Bushes, on the NAFTA deal. Unbelievable. They were encouraging U.S. companies to leave this country to produce their stuff in Mexico and Canada. What, are you nuts? That's what they did. And let's use 1993 dollars. From 1993 to today, $178 billion we lost. Our trade deficit with both countries increased from 1993 today by $178 billion. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. So all these workers gone. Our deficit is up now $31 billion over last year this time. Nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody cares. You better care, because trade deficits have tremendous consequences. It's the root of all economic evils. This is crazy. You want to know why you don't have overtime? You want to know why your wages aren't going? Because of trade deficits. Every time we buy an imported product, we don't lose just one job, but it has a multiplier effect of 6 jobs. And then you get the budget deficits we have. We're spending $1 trillion more than we take in. That also kills the power of the dollar in your wallet. So here's what we're going to do. The market's down 522 points. If you remember, over a month ago, I said I want 10 people to work with me for 1 month to prove to you my color-coded chart works. Give you an example. Here are the returns. OIH, these are oil service jobs, 10% return. Rig, 20% return. AMD, 40% return. Okay, Caterpillar, 26%. So let's cut that all in half. Let's cut it all down to about an average of 15%. Let's cut it again. Let's cut it down let's cut it down to 5% return. How's that? I'll go from 20% to 5% because I know you won't believe the 20%, and I can't guarantee you're going to get 20%. You join now. I can't guarantee the future, but I can tell you it worked. How about this? How about all the builders? Here are the returns on those. 20%, 18%, 32%. So let's cut that down to 5%. Because you're not going to believe those returns either. So here's what I want you to do. The only way you're going to believe me, I'm going to ask for 10 people to join me right now today, just 10. I'll give you the MV2 color-coded chart. Here we are. The market's down 540 points, and we're making money as the market goes down. We're making money in the bank stocks. We're going to be making money again in the bank stocks, again in the builders. When this market collapses, we're going to be on the right side. I'm going to prove to you 10 people, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. You'll get the free color-coded chart that tells you when to buy and when to sell. Listen to this. Listen to this crazy guy.
All right, let's do final trades.
Final trade is Allergan. We feel like where it's trading from a valuation perspective, right around 11. They've used acquisition to support their R&D efforts, and we think there's an opportunity in this stock.
Who cares R&D efforts, opportunity in the stock? Wait a minute. Who cares? Opportunity. Look, all you want to know are the institutions putting money into the stock. That's all you want to know. You don't have to know anything else. Take BBY, Best Buy.
What's wrong with Best Buy today?
This stock has been on fire, though. It's done really, really well. We know where it's been in the past, and it had that huge run up, and everybody said Amazon was going to crush them, and this has been a winner, so I think people are
should be a winner into Black Friday as well, Judge.
So,
yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Yep.
It's fun to go there again.
Yep. Gonna go there. Yep. Big job. Good job. Yep. Really? Then how come we are short Best Buy? How come when they're telling people to buy it on October 2nd, it went from green to red? October 2nd was at $78. Today it's at $67. They're still telling people to buy it. When on my chart, it tells you the institutions, the big banks, the big insurance companies, the big hedge funds are getting out of Dodge. They're taking their money out. Look at that. It turned red. It's down 14%. So if you got in that day, you got a 14% return. Let's say you got in halfway down, you got a 7% return. Let's say you got even lower, you got a 5% return. What difference does it make if it's 14, 7, or 5? As long as you're not losing money, you're making some money. So I'm going to prove to 10 of you, right now I need 10, okay, 877-600-GANG, please. And then I'm going to prove to you that not only are you going to make money, but you're going to send money to St. Jude. You don't have to. It's up to you, of course. But the 10 of us will make money together, okay? And I'm going to show you how to make money shorting a stock. You don't have to know. You don't have to know any of that fundamental stuff. You don't have to know about price to sales or price to books or return on assets, return on equity, operator. You haven't got to know any of that garbage. You haven't got to know any of it. All you got to know, did it turn from green to red? And for 10 of you, 877-600-GANG, I'm reaching out for 10 of you. I'm going to prove to 10 of you. Then you tell 10 more people, and those 10 more people tell 10 more people, and we'll be flooding St. Jude with money this Christmas. Because it works. It works. It's simple. What makes stocks go up? Money goes in. What makes stocks go down? Money goes up. Doesn't it make common sense? All you got to know is when money's in and money's out. Well, try working with me for the next 30 days. You get your chart free. All you got to do is join the gang, $39.95. The free chart's $29.95. You get that free. 877-600-GANG. I need 10 people. 10. I'll prove it to you.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. What are people saying?
Back about 2005, I found myself out of work. One of the things I was doing was KCA was playing Phil's Gang at noon, and he was predicting in 2005 a collapse of the housing market. Phil's Gang feller, he was on it, and nobody else was predicting what he predicted, but he was on the money. He was talking in 2005. He was talking about how people had the teaser rates with their mortgages and that the whole thing was going to collapse. And he knew what time it was. You got to respect that.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome to Phil's Gang. I need 10 people, 877-600-GANG, 10 people to follow me in the next 30 days. I'm going to prove to you, just like I did with the other folks, and here's the returns. Listen to this. I'm going to prove to you my color-coded chart works. And I don't even give you the real returns. I cut them in half most of the time because I know you won't believe them. But it's simple. You only purchase a stock when it is green. That means the institutions are buying. You sell it short, make money as it goes down when it's red. All you need from me is an alert that says buy sell it, add to your position, or run like hell. Each stock, I'd make sure you put a stop in. We treat each stock as a business. So if you get into a stock, it's up. You get a stock, we'll put a stop in 2 or 3%. It means the most you could lose is 2 to 3% the first day you start out. Then as it goes up and it's up 5%, 6%, we move the stop up. All of a sudden it's up 10%. That means if it comes down 3%, you keep 8. You're guaranteed with 8. It works. I need 10 people to prove. And then you tell 10 people. Those 10 people tell 10 people. Also, we got 30 people donating to St. Jude. All right, listen to this. This is what gets me with these geniuses. Okay, these guys with these pompadour hairdos and these cheap suits on all these financial shows. They're all over the place. You're supposed to follow them. Remember this?
Let me tell you something. Caterpillar is getting crushed today. I'm so confused. I went through the income statement. I went through the balance sheet. I'm so confused.
He was so confused. While he was confused, Caterpillar, we were up 25% selling it short. We weren't confused because the institutions pulled their money out and went from green to red, giving me a sell signal. A sell. We weren't confused. Now today he's confused again.
All right, folks, the market down big time. I'm looking at Goldman Sachs, for instance. I cannot understand why these financials have been such underperformers, and I'm wondering if there's some sort of canary in the coal mine with the entire economy.
This is the guy who kept saying every day, this is the greatest economy in the world, greatest economy, fantastic wages, fantastic everything, stocks will never come down again. Unbelievable. Now he's confused. Because he knows what's going on. He knows this whole stock market from 2008 is phony. Just like Trump said, he told the truth as candidate. He said, this is a big, fat, ugly bubble, and you start raising rates just a little bit, it's going to come crumbling down, and he started to raise rates. Now think about this. This December would be the 8th time that rates have been risen between him and Aunt B since 2015. Here's how we know they're all phony about this economy being great. In 2-year period of time, Greenspan raised rates 17 times compared to these guys over 3 years raising rates only 8 times. The reason why they only raised rates 8 times compared to his 17 times in 2 years, because they know it wasn't a good economy. They know it was a sham. It was all built with stock buybacks. It was all built with free money, interest money, that only the 10% of the population made money. That's right. That's all. But you come with me, I promise you, and I'm going to prove to 10 people. Today, 10 people sign up. You're going to get my chart free, the one that gave me. Here, give you an example. The banks. He's confused about the banks again. How can he be confused? Bank of America, 16% return. Wells Fargo, 12% return. XLF, the ETF, 6% return. Now let's cut those all in half so you won't think I'm making it up. And in 10 days, with me, all you're doing is paying $39.95 for the membership. You get the chart that's $29.95. You get that free, and you follow me. When I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you run like hell. And I update you. You don't have to go to class. You don't have to learn anything. Just do exactly what I tell you. At the end of the 30 days, if you think I'm full of garbage, then just say that's at the end of it. You got a chart that's free that costs $29.95. You got that free for 30 days. What's wrong with that? But I know you're not going to do that, and I know you'll donate to St. Jude. So again, you can't keep on. You can't in this game of investing. They make it harder than what it really is. You got so much going against you. Think about this. It's so many things going against you between trade deficits, budget deficits, the consequences of those, plus the consequences of a weak dollar. Think about how about the consequences, again, of the budget deficits, the QE consequences we had to deal with, the consequences of stock buybacks, yield consequences, but the stock market goes up 72% of the time. It still goes up 72% of the time. So why so many people lose money? Because they don't know when to get out. Because everybody you're dealing with has one objective: to keep you in the stock market, because they make money on the size of the account. They send out brokers to collect money, put it in a pile. They don't get paid on how much that pile grows. There's no incentive for them. They don't get paid on on any kind of incentive basis, they get a salary. And then they get these big bonuses. So they're not going to tell you when to get out. Why would they tell you to get out? But you're going to know exactly when to get out with me. Exactly. And we're not going to listen to all this garbage they give us every day. I mean, this is unbelievable. Listen to Powell, what he said. I mean, Powell is nuts.
I'm glad to be and lucky to be able to stand here and say that the economy is strong.
You can't stand there with a straight face and tell me the economy is strong when yields are rising, not due to economic growth, but because you're spending more money than we're taking in. That's called the budget deficit. Sit there and look at me in straight in the face and tell me you're proud? How can you be proud?
I'm glad to be and lucky to be able to stand here and say that the economy is strong. Unemployment is near 50-year lows.
Unbelievable. Economy, they're in 50 years low, but people, all right, the economy, this is unbelievable. People aren't making money. Very few people aren't working paycheck to paycheck. Are you kidding me? 72% of people are working paycheck to pay. Why is it that 70% of 140 million people that are in the workforce working paycheck to pay? Answer that. And he's saying he's so lucky. He's lucky because this guy is making $22 million a year. He's lucky. All those guys you see on TV, that's how great the economy is. Even just some talk show host on Fox. The kid, I like him a lot. I can't think of his name. He makes $6 million a year. He's just a regular Joe. I can't think of his name. $6 million a year. So when he talks, of course, same to these guys. They make about $3 million, $2 to $3 million a year, these guys. To go up there and read a cue card. To read a cue card. Wow. Unbelievable. Read a cue card. 2 minutes, the market's down 630. So the market's down 630 points. You ask any gang member if they're losing money today. They're not. They're not losing money today. They're not. And every time today these bank stocks are going down, and as long as the bank stock is red, as long as it's red on the chart, and they know this, every time that stock makes a new low, it's lower than the previous day, Friday, you sell it short again and again and again until it turns green. 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Please join the gang and you'll see. Why should you be sitting here, we're down 610 points, and be calling your broker and asking, what do you think we should do? You think he's going to tell you, oh, we're going to take care of it, don't worry, when he has no fiduciary with you? Think about this business. They have no fiduciary. When you call him and ask him right now, what do you think I should do? What do you think I should do? You think he's going to tell you to get out of the market? Do you think he's going to tell you to short it? We're short. The gang members who have been with me for a long time right now, they're short this market. They're not going to tell you to get. They're not going to tell you to get out or short it. They're going to say you're fine.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. Don't pay attention to your portfolio every day. Have a good, sound plan so you can go on and enjoy life. You're fine.
How do you enjoy life when you don't have any money for your retirement? My God, people don't have money for retirement today. It's one of the biggest crises we have. So look, join my gang. I need 10 people right now. I'll give you my chart free. What a beautiful day to do this. We're down 633 points. Then tomorrow, starting tomorrow, with the home builders, with the bank stocks, I'll be guiding you, telling you which one we're going to short. I stay right with you. I tell you when the money's going in, when the money's going out, and I'll tell you when to run like hell. 877-600-GANG. Call right now. They're waiting for your call. Help yourself. Help St. Jude. See you on the charts. 877-600-GANG right now. 10 people, please.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make